How to delete a group in Splitwise. Deleting a group in Splitwise is actually fairly simple. For this, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Splitwise application, and then you simply want to make sure that you are signed into your accounts. So once you're signed into your account and then you want to go ahead and then change the currency, what you have to do is you want to simply go ahead, not change currency, but you want to delete your group. Then you want to simply go ahead and select a certain group that you want to delete. After that, you want to simply tap on the gear icon or the settings icon on the top right hand corner of that group. After you do that, if you look at the very bottom, you can see the option that says delete group. So you can simply tap on the delete group button right there. If you want to absolutely sure that you want to delete it, you can just hit the OK button to do so. This way you should be able to go ahead and then delete a group in Splitwise. I hope that this video really helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.